How to apply eyeliner, a simple guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic: how to apply eyeliner. Whether you're interested in makeup or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will be super helpful. Let's dive in. Eyeliner is a type of cosmetic used to define the eyes. It's applied around the contours of the eyes to create various aesthetic effects. Understanding this term is crucial as it's often used in beauty and fashion discussions. There are several types of eyeliner. Pencil eyeliner, easy to control, great for beginners. Liquid eyeliner, offers a more precise line but requires a steady hand. Gel eyeliner, provides a bold look and is usually applied with a brush. 1. Prepare your eyelid. Start with a clean and dry eyelid. You might want to use an eyeshadow primer. 2. Sharpen your pencil. Ensure your eyeliner pencil is sharp for a precise application. 3. Draw small dots or a thin line. Along the lash line, create a series of small dots or a thin line. 4. Connect the dots. Gently connect these dots or go over the line to create a smooth look. 5. Smudge. Optional, for a softer look, slightly smudge the line with a brush or fingertip. Steady your hand. Rest your elbow on a table for more control. Start with small strokes. Create a series of small strokes along the lash line and then connect them. Keep Q-tips handy. For any mistakes, a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover works wonders. Practice. Mastery comes with practice, so don't be discouraged by initial mistakes. We hope this guide on how to apply eyeliner has been enlightening and fun. Makeup vocabulary is a great way to enhance your English skills, especially if you're interested in beauty topics. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro both at applying eyeliner and using these new English terms. See you in our next video.